Alright, before I start this video, I just want you to know how this will end up looking like. Alright, this is like really nice now. Just this, if you see this in real life, it's just very nice. We don't talk about that, alright? So, you got it? So, I'm gonna tell you how to make it. First, you are not gonna put like that many lights, okay? Not that many lights, okay? So first you just wanna get to the body, and if we can just go to labor, and I'm just gonna alright, that's gonna be copied, and ELS, and that's also gonna be copied, okay? So let's see. We have a copy? Alright, we do have a copy. So first you wanna do is like get a color, right? No, we're gonna use it SVG. We're gonna use we're gonna use this, right? This is a unmarked NYPedia. Why is it unmarked? I just need to save right? And make it a marked police unit. Alright. Like with this push bars, we cannot like put any lights. Well, wait, maybe we can. Alright, we'll put some stupid lights here. I'm gonna set up my gun. Oh my god. It's gonna pop up. If we can it like pop up, please? Okay, popped up. Now you just close this, alright? Just gonna be needing that, alright? And see how it looks. Okay. Alright, that's good, okay. So you're gonna like put one over. I'm not gonna put those in the push bar because this push bars are not made for white bars, okay? I'm just gonna design them like, okay? Does it look okay? No, it doesn't. Does it look? No, it doesn't. Now does it? Oh, I guess it does. You're just gonna copy a duplicate up and just put it there, you know? Just do that, right? So then you're gonna find this too. You're just gonna, get this to the, what's this called? Then just get it to the body of it. Put in the body and just delete the other lights, okay? Because this is going to be fully unmarked. No one will notice, but this thing is kind of gonna be annoying. So then you can like see this, alright? So first there's gonna be like this two glasses, okay? There's gonna be this two glasses. Oh wait, no. This glass is over here. If I could put it under, no. Okay, alright, so it's under here now. So just put it like this way. So there's gonna be this two same glasses. These are the ones which allow the lights to flash. Okay. So you're gonna need this two glasses, these two things. Just group them, okay? this two things. Alright, like you can see this, right? I believe you can, okay? Also, you're gonna choose the name for me, kiddo. Alright, just name it unmarked SUV, and then you just wanna group it again, you know, just like nothing. So it's distance, alright. Alright. Okay, so now these are grouped in a white bar. What is this? We don't need that, right? Or do we? No, we don't. So you're just gonna like put this on neon, not smooth plastic, right? So you're gonna put both on neon actually. Why is on? Okay. Why is it? Oh my god, dang it! I'm so stupid, bro. Why is this over here, bro? This is not with us. This does not come with us. Okay, that does not come with us. What is this? No. Alright, yes, alright, bro. Now, this too, we're gonna just get it to smooth plastic to neon. Then put one blue to dark blue, no. Put it like to electric blue, so it's nicer. And put this to really red, so it will look nice, right? So you're gonna rename this to. Then we wanted to rename this to white bar 1, Rambo 1 actually, sorry, and this Rambo light 2, Rambo light 2. How you're gonna do it, and like get a point right on this. A point right. So it's like brighter, right? So the point right, you're gonna put the brightness to 2, the color to, which one is RL1 again? This one's RL1, so that's gonna be red. Really red. Alright, this is gonna be really red. And then you're just gonna be wanting to copy, like duplicate this, take it to RL2, just change the color to this, so it will look beautiful. And like if it will like start to be, it can be looked from long distances. So yeah. And now you just wanna get to the script, alright? You're just gonna get the script. I'm not gonna rename it or something. I'm just gonna get to alright, so this is the script, then it's just, you can copy it, alright? You can pause the video and copy it. I'm sorry guys, I cannot waste my time. I'm sorry. So then you can just duplicate this also. Duplicate. Alright. Now you can just close this. So in the light blue, you're gonna be wanting to put a, wait, no, sorry. You're gonna be wanting to put it back like this. Wait, no, just make it way nicer. Wait. Is it nicer? No, it isn't. Wait, just 1 minute, 1 second. Alright, it is now better. Let me just see. Okay, it is like better, right? So in the white row, you're gonna take value, and the value you're just gonna take this, and you're gonna rename it. Just donut. Okay, don't do that. I accidentally clicked the thing, then value and this stuff. Alright, then name it name it L on. Alright, so light on. So then you're just gonna get another script. I'm not gonna name it anything. I'm just gonna. Wait, no, not this one. Sorry. Alright, so. Alright, it's this one. Alright, so it's this one. So if you have like more lights, you can like copy this and like paste it here. Just like this. Just like copy this and paste it like this, but I only have 2 lights, so I don't have to copy it. And then we are just going to be wanting to test it out. Alright, let's see if it works. Let's see, and it works. So that's how we do it, guys. Does the core even works to drive? No, it doesn't. I just picked a one quality toolbox, but it works. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe and comment if you need anything, and make sure to if you have any questions, tell me on Discord. I'm gonna put everything, every scripts, everything in the link in the description. Alright? Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.